Your rent is due again, and every single dollar goes straight into your landlord's pocket. While you pay on time every month, they are building wealth, equity, and financial freedom off your consistency. And here is the crazy part. You are probably closer to owning a home than you even think. Because in this video, I'm going to give you the exact number you need to stop making someone else rich and start building something that is truly yours in 2026. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. First, you need to forget the 20% down payment rule. That's the quickest way to stay a renter forever. You see, first time buyers program are your best friend right now. Here's the math on a $400,000 home with an FHA loan at 3.5% down. You need $14,000 for the down payment, and closing costs typically 2 to 3%, and your real target is $22,000 to $26,000 out of pocket. Now, FHA loans do require mortgage insurance, which add roughly $100 to $150 to your monthly payments. But for most buyers, that's still cheaper than another year of raising rent. So if you start saving today, you can hit that target by the end of 2026. Now, step 2 is your debt limit. Banks look at how much you own versus how much you make. They call this DTI, and it's the number that determines if you are a homeowner or a renter. If your car payment, student loan, and your new mortgage combined exist 43% of your gross income, you are stuck renting. So here is your action step. You see, stop adding new debts now. That's that new truck or the buy now pay later furnitures. It is costing you a house. You see, focus on paying off your smallest debt first. It frees up DTI breathing room fast, and it's the move that most first-time buyers overlook till it's too late. The biggest mistake first-time buyers make is waiting until 2027, waiting until they can afford the house. You know, the biggest mistake they do is waiting. The people winning in the market right now are getting pre-approved. In 2026, pre-approval isn't just a letter, it's a roadmap. It tells you exactly what you need to fix or what is needed to be fixed in your financial file while you still have time to fix it. If you wait till you find the perfect house to find out whether you qualify, you've already lost it to a buyer who is prepared months earlier. So make sure you stop waiting and start making progress. Start getting ready now before it's too late. Stop waiting. Renting is a choice to pay for someone else's future. Owning a house is a choice to invest in your own future. If you want the full breakdown of closing costs, what's negotiable and what's not, and how to avoid getting caught off guard at the table, make sure you subscribe now, because I'll be dropping a video on this very soon. And make sure you give the video a thumbs up for the video to reach more first-time buyers so they don't make mistake on this. Now let's get you out of that list.